Hi, it's Sandra, and it is time to pick the winner for October's giveaway. So if you remember, we've got two Uber Chic plates, so two Halloween Uber Chic plates. There's one and there's two. This one is Halloween 05, and this one is Halloween 08. And then I also have from last month, because the winner did not claim their gift, I have a Mani by Me Express kit that has the Halloween stuff plates from October of 2021. So here's those two plates too. So that's what the winner gets. And let's do the drawing on YouTube and see who wins. Good luck to everybody. All right, here's a start. And let's see who wins. And the winner is Wanda E. So Wanda, you have won all this product, all these plates, and you need to email me at nailstampology@gmail.com. and I will ship this off as soon as I get your address. So Wanda, congratulations, and everyone, thanks for watching.